Installing big screen to your car. Hello everyone, we will modify this car today. First of all, let's take out its outlet border. Then loosen the screws around the radio. Remove the radio host and unplug all the wires behind it. Then take out our new machine and connect the wire. This is its power cord, we must connect it. It can be turned on now, let's test it before we finish it. Let's test whether my button function and screen are normal. There is basically no problem. Let's put it on and test its reversing image. Okay, you can see that it can run and is very clear. Let's take it off and sort it out the back harness. After it's done, we'll install it for him. Then fix it with a screw. Let's install the air outlet border for him again. Okay, it's done. This is what it looks like.